Welcome to the world of A3 tabs for Gutenberg, your gateway to stunning tab layouts that will elevate your website design to new heights. Let's take a closer look at the versatility and power of A3 tabs by exploring 3 captivating layout options. First up, we have the classic tabs layout, perfect for organizing content into easily navigable sections. Next, we'll explore vertical tabs, ideal for conserving horizontal space while still offering seamless navigation. And finally, we'll dive into accordions, providing a compact and visually appealing way to present information in collapsible sections perfectly for mobile devices. Now that we've explored the different layout options, let's see A3 tabs in action. Watch as I effortlessly integrate the block into my post and showcase its versatility by adding a table block within a container block. From text and images to multimedia elements, A3 tabs lets you create captivating tab layouts that engage your audience and enhance user experience. From dynamic tables and interactive forms to multimedia galleries and embedded content, the possibilities are endless. With A3 tabs, you're not limited by the type of content you can include within your tabs. Let your creativity run wild and craft engaging tab layouts that capture your audience's attention and keep them coming back for more. But what if you need to make changes on the fly? With A3 tabs, it's as easy as a few clicks. Watch as I seamlessly switch between tabs and even remove one with a simple click of a button. Whether you're organizing product features, displaying service offerings, or presenting valuable information, A3 tabs gives you the flexibility to create dynamic layouts that adapt to your needs. Now that we've mastered tab management, let's dive into the next level of customization, styling your tab titles. From choosing fonts and colors to adding icons and subtitles, A3 tabs empowers you to create a visually stunning tab layout that aligns perfectly with your website's branding and design. And let's not forget about the container content. With A3 tabs, you have full control over the styling of your tab content, allowing you to customize padding, margins, background, and borders to create a seamless and cohesive design. Whether you're highlighting product features, sharing valuable information, or showcasing your portfolio, A3 tabs lets your content shine. Experience the power of A3 tabs for Gutenberg and take your website design to the next level. With endless customization options and intuitive controls, the possibilities are truly limitless. Download A3 WordPress for Gutenberg today and unlock the full potential of your website.